This is a Japanese onsen in Matsushima. Onsen means hot spring in Japanese. Famous hotels have an onsen.
So we are going to show you proper manners for the onsen. In the onsen room, don't wear a swimsuit.
First, take a shower, but not a standing shower. Sit down or you could spray someone.
Wash off all soap and dirt. Use a bucket, but don't splash. Don't dump it standing up.
Next, get into the water. It is usually very hot water. While in the bath, speak quietly and move slowly.
You can make people very uncomfortable if you splash. Now relax until you decide you are done. After you are done, go and change clothes. If you are staying at the hotel, there should be yukata in your room.
When you come to the place, put your yukata on. You can wear it to your room too. Thank you for coming on my tour. And remember, bye!